Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn how to apply resin on a wooden tray. So let's start. I have this art resin. We can buy any brand. In this, the ratio says 2:1. That means one part, the big bottle, we will use two parts, and the small bottle we will use one part. So we will do exactly weight wise. For that, I have my weighing machine here. In weighing machine, we will start the zero, on off. So now it's showing zero. As you all can see, I'll start pouring the resin. But before that, I'll wear plastic gloves. And if you have any cold issue or breathing issues, then it's always better to wear a mask because these fumes are not good for breath. Also, when you are doing the resin work, please make sure that windows in the room are open, or you do it in the patio or balcony or some open space. I normally do outside in the open space so that fumes are not harming to me. So I'm wearing the please close it immediately. This is 51.9. Now half of this will be roughly 26. I'm going to take 26 gram because earlier it was 51 gram. Now we have got the perfect ratio. Next step is to mix it for 6 minutes. Its curing time is 6 minutes. So for this, I'm going to use this, anything you can use. And I will check for 6 minutes. It will become cloudy. We will make sure that there are no bubbles in it. Every resin has its own curing time. So I'm strictly following what is written on this. They say mix well for 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it thoroughly, and we have to use it within 30 minutes. Pour evenly throughout the surface, and its curing time is 24 hours. So once we pour it, then we will not touch it for 24 hours. We will leave it. Another thing which is very important in resin, that we have to make sure that surface is smooth, like its level is smooth. So with the sprit balance, I check sprit level I use to check whether surface of table is smooth or not. So we are mixing it for 6 minutes. I have stirred the mixture for 6 minutes. Now I'm going to pour it in different glasses. I'm going to use 3 colors. So now first part, which we will need more, is the base color. I'm using this and mix well, and quickly I will pour on this. Before pouring on the tray, we will wipe the tray. There should not be any water content. Water and resin are not friends. So, we will make sure there is no water in it. I want to give the base, red color base. So, I have poured it and everything from the glass will come out. Now, my next color is white. In the meantime, I'll tilt this so that paint will go on its own. These are the resin colors by epoxy. These are not ordinary colors. So next color is white. So our white paint is ready for resin art. Our next one is gold. These all are epoxy art paints, and I'm going to use a little bit of gold, and we will mix in this. Now our actual work is starting. From the glass, almost all the paint is out. I have to rotate it in different directions. I'm holding it with the cloth because in my glove, red paint is stuck. So it should not stuck on the tray. You can spread it little bit. I want to make the base of red color. Now I'm going to start with my second color. My second color is gold. I'm going to tilt this tray with the help of cloth little bit. Enough. Now I'm going to use third color, that is white. I'll spread this. I think we need more white, so I have some more resin. Before pouring, we have to shake the bottle. This is Test and Craft Opaque Pigment Concentrate, and these ones are Epoche, okay, India brand. This is some other country's brand. Please don't touch this tray for next 24 hours. Leave it like this and let it dry on its own. It's better if we keep it in a hot place, not exactly in the sun, but not very cold environment. Then curing will be better. So we will not touch it now. As you can see, our tray is ready, cells are formed, and it's ready for curing. With this, our resin tray is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing my YouTube channel. Please spread the word about my YouTube channel. धन्यवाद. Namaste.